Lift recliners make it easier, safer, and more comfortable to sit down and stand up. The Irene House lay-flat recliner with power lift assist is a great choice for those looking to increase their mobility and independence. The recliner features a stylish, classic design that will complement your existing decor, with padded arms, high-grade foam seat cushions, and breathable premium faux leather that will keep you dry and comfortable even in hot weather. This infinite position recliner features independent back and leg rest motion and can be laid flat, making it perfect for sleeping. A wired remote allows you to activate 8 massage modes. Plus, a lumbar heating system promotes even deeper comfort. Whether you're recovering from surgery, looking for relief from back, hip, shoulder, or leg pain, or if you're trying to gain independence and mobility, the lay-flat recliner from Irene House is the perfect choice.